Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. What's causing that rough engine idle? A complete diagnosis guide. Is your car idling rough? This annoying issue can be more than just a minor inconvenience. Rough idling not only wastes fuel but also hints at deeper engine problems. Common causes include dirty fuel injectors, faulty spark plugs, or even a clogged air filter. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe damage down the road. Addressing rough idling early ensures your car runs smoothly and efficiently. A well-tuned engine delivers better fuel economy, extends your vehicle's lifespan, and provides a safer, more comfortable driving experience. Stay tuned to learn how to diagnose and fix this common problem. Symptoms of rough idling. Experiencing vibrations in your vehicle while it's stationary can be a clear sign of rough idling. These vibrations may feel more pronounced than usual, causing a shaky sensation throughout the car. If you notice such vibrations, it could indicate underlying issues affecting the engine's idle performance. Vibrations. When your car stalls unexpectedly, especially when at a stop, it can be a sign of rough idling. This sudden engine shutdown can be alarming and potentially dangerous, especially in traffic situations. If you find your vehicle struggling to maintain a consistent idle speed and stalling frequently, it's essential to address this symptom promptly. Stalling. Unusual noises emanating from your vehicle, such as knocking or sputtering sounds, should not be ignored, as they can point to rough idling problems. These abnormal sounds often accompany rough idling conditions and may indicate issues with the fuel mixture, ignition system, or other components of the engine. Prompt investigation and repair can help prevent further damage and ensure smooth engine operation. Unusual noises. By recognizing these common symptoms of rough idling, vibrations, stalling, and unusual noises, you can proactively address potential issues with your vehicle's engine performance. Paying attention to these signs and taking prompt action can help maintain the health and reliability of your car, ensuring a smoother driving experience. Causes of rough idling. Rough idling in a car can be attributed to various factors, each affecting the engine's performance and smooth operation. Understanding the causes behind rough idling can help diagnose and address the issue efficiently, ensuring your vehicle runs optimally. Fuel system problems. Issues within the fuel system of a car can lead to rough idling. One common culprit is clogged fuel injectors, which disrupt the proper flow of fuel into the engine cylinders. A dirty fuel filter can also impede the fuel supply, resulting in uneven idling as the engine struggles to maintain a consistent fuel-air mixture. Ignition system malfunctions. The ignition system plays a crucial role in the combustion process of a car's engine. Problems with spark plugs, such as wear and tear or improper gap settings, can cause misfires that result in rough idling. Similarly, a faulty ignition coil can lead to irregular spark distribution, affecting the engine's idle stability. Air intake system issues. The air intake system is responsible for supplying the engine with the necessary air for combustion. A malfunctioning mass airflow sensor can inaccurately measure the incoming air, leading to an improper fuel mixture and rough idling. Additionally, a vacuum leak in the intake system can introduce excess air, disrupting the engine's idle speed and smoothness. By addressing fuel system problems, ignition system malfunctions, and air intake system issues, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve rough idling in your vehicle. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to ensuring optimal engine performance and a smooth driving experience. Diagnosis and inspection. When your car is idling roughly, diagnosing the issue is the first step to getting it running smoothly again. Two key methods for determining the root cause of rough idling involve utilizing an OBD2 scanner and conducting a visual inspection of various engine components. Using an OBD2 scanner. Connecting an OBD2 scanner is a straightforward process that can provide valuable insights into what might be causing your car to idle roughly. Start by locating the OBD2 port in your vehicle, typically found beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. Plug the scanner into the port and turn on the ignition without starting the engine. The scanner will then retrieve error codes stored in the vehicle's computer system, which can offer clues about specific issues such as misfires, sensor malfunctions, or fuel system problems. By analyzing these codes, you can narrow down the potential causes of the rough idling and take appropriate action to address them. Visual inspection. Performing a visual inspection of key engine components is another essential step in diagnosing rough idling. Begin by checking the condition of the spark plugs, which play a crucial role in the combustion process. Worn or fouled spark plugs can lead to misfires and rough idling. Inspect the air filters to ensure they are clean and free from debris that could affect airflow to the engine. Examine the vacuum hoses for any signs of cracks or leaks, as vacuum system issues can contribute to rough idling. By visually inspecting these components, you can identify potential areas of concern and determine if any parts need to be replaced or repaired to improve your car's idle quality. Combining the insights gained from an OBD2 scanner and conducting a thorough visual inspection, you can effectively diagnose the reasons behind your car's rough idling and take the necessary steps to address the underlying problems. Thanks for watching Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we dive into diagnosing and fixing the issue. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.